Imagine a world without Japan. No Mount Fuji, no sushi, no anime, no Toyota or Sony, no Nintendo or Samurai Legends. Sounds hard to picture, right? But what would our world really look like if Japan had never existed? Let's dive into a world where the land of the rising sun never rose at all. What if Japan never existed? Vertical bar, alternate history. Japan's absence would ripple through history like a shockwave. Start with the Mongols. Without Japan, their invasions of the East might have focused entirely on China or expanded elsewhere. In the 16th century, there'd be no Tokugawa shogunate, no samurai culture influencing East Asian history. Fast forward to the 20th century, without Imperial Japan, there's no invasion of China in the 1930s, no Pearl Harbor, and maybe even a very different path for World War II. The US might never drop the atomic bomb, the Cold War might shift entirely, with China or the USSR playing even bigger roles in Asia. Japan has been a tech giant since the late 20th century. Without Japan, the world misses out on early innovations in consumer electronics. No Walkman, no PlayStation, no high-efficiency cars. Toyota and Honda helped revolutionize manufacturing through lean production and quality control. Take that away and global car industries might be slower to evolve or dominated entirely by American and German automakers. Even the concept of high-speed rail might lag. Japan's Shinkansen, launched in 1964, was the blueprint. Without it, global transportation could look very different today. Now let's talk pop culture. No Japan, that means no anime, no Dragon Ball, Naruto, Attack on Titan, Spirited Away, no Studio Ghibli. Video games without Japan, no Nintendo, Sega or Sony PlayStation, no Super Mario, Zelda, Final Fantasy or Pokemon. Gaming culture as we know it would be dramatically different, probably dominated by the US and Europe. Even Hollywood has borrowed heavily from Japanese storytelling and aesthetics. Think The Matrix, Inception or Star Wars. Hello, samurai influences. Now imagine a world without sushi, or ramen, or tempura. Japanese cuisine has become a global staple, influencing food culture from fine dining to fast food. Beyond the plate, Japan's design, architecture, fashion and minimalist lifestyle have influenced everything from IKEA furniture to Zen meditation trends. The global appeal of Japanese aesthetics, from wabi-sabi to kawaii, would be missing from our world. Japan is a key US ally and a strategic player in East Asia. Without it, the geopolitical balance in the Pacific would be dramatically different. The US might have fewer military bases in the region, giving more influence to China and Russia. South Korea might face greater pressure from its neighbors without Japan acting as a buffer and partner. Taiwan's situation could be even more precarious. In short, the Asia-Pacific region could be far more unstable. From technology to culture, cuisine to geopolitics, Japan's presence has shaped our world in more ways than we often realize. A world without Japan isn't just missing a country, it's missing a cultural and technological powerhouse that touches billions of lives every single day. So next time you power up a console, eat a sushi roll, or watch your favorite anime, remember how different life would be if Japan never existed.